it's me, Shelfster. Today I'm gonna be opening up a Ridge wallet. So I will be showing you guys some other wallets that we have from Ridge, which they're really awesome. My fiance Eric, he lives by them. Oh. Ooh, it's gorgeous. Got that pretty gold. I'll get a close-up on it in a little bit. But it comes with this tool, this nifty tool that you can use to change it from having a cash strap. This one has a cash strap. Or it can have a money clip, as you can see, which I'll show you some of Eric's other collection. But it comes with that and then some directions and extra screws. Extra screws are nice. And let's get a close-up of these bad boys. So here we have all of Eric's collection of the Ridge wallets that he has. These three are titanium. These two are aluminum. This one's like a textured aluminum. This one is just a normal aluminum. These ones are titanium. This is an oil spill one. He uses this one a lot. And I really like how this one has this cute little screw thingy. Screwdriver. This one has a money strap on it. And these ones all have money clips. So as you can see, it's got lots of awesome details, so it can hold up to 12 cards. Eric usually carries like 11. It's got RFID blocking for your cards so no one steals your card information. Modular design, backed up by their lifetime warranty. They have the option of the cash strap or the money clip, as you can see here, cash strap, money clip. And I showed you on the wallets, but super, super awesome. I've got the links for the product right down below in the description box. Please like and subscribe for more reviews and demo videos. Thank you.